Welcome back. Thanks for staying with us. You're watching WION World is One with me, Diksha Bisla. Let's out with the headlines. Iran's intelligence ministry says that it has dismantled two Mossad-linked terrorist cells in the West Azerbaijan, Kerman and Alborz provinces. Iran says one enemy operative was killed in the raid. The cache of weapons, drones and Starlink devices were also seized. Iran says that a US F-35 fighter jet transmitted the emergency code 7700 while flying over the Gulf of Oman. Iran says that the issuing of the code means that the F-35 needed to make an emergency landing. Iran did not mention the possible cause of the emergency. Indian Army warns that countries complying with US sanctions against the Islamic Republic would face difficulties crossing the Strait of Hormuz. Qatar's Prime Minister Mohammed Al Thani meets US Secretary of State Marco Rubio and US Envoy Steve Witkoff in Miami. The leaders reviewed the relations of cooperation between the two nations and the latest developments in the Iran war. Sri Lanka to raise electricity tariffs by up to 18% from Monday as West Asia warning fuel disruptions increase power generation costs. The hike follows recent fuel price increases and adds pressure on the country's fragile economic recovery after its 2022 crisis.